It's a natural swimming pool. You can see in forest. See this forest. It's so dense. The water is so natural, clear, crystal clear water. You see, this is in Lalpania. It's near Khosrow and Bokaro. So it was unexplored place. I came at the very first time here and I could see this much beautiness.